An interactive session aimed at familiarizing students with the importance of cultural awareness and general proficiency was organized at Chandigarh University. The Cultural Induction Program, organized by the Department of Arts and Cultural Affairs, brought students together at Seminar Hall B for an insightful lecture. With students seated and ready for the session, there was a sense of curiosity among the audience as they looked forward to gaining new perspectives and insights from the lecture.
So I was interested in this cultural program because I wanted to learn more about the culture and I wanted to incorporate more cultural stuff within this academic degree that I was going to pursue, and I really want to learn more about other culture and other cultural stuff. So yes, this was the main reason I was interested in this event.
For the students, the session was not just about listening to a lecture, but also about understanding how cultural awareness and overall proficiency can contribute to their university experience and personal growth.
I have attended such programs before, and I think apart from academics, I love to attend such programs because it gives me a different exposure, and also I learn different new things.
During the session, the speaker engaged with the students and addressed key aspects related to general proficiency, including music, piano keyboard, storytelling, Bollywood dance, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, and many more. The lecture encouraged students to broaden their understanding, stay engaged, and make the most of the opportunities available to them beyond the classroom.
जनरल प्रोफिशिएंसी का मतलब मेरे लिए सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ स्टडीज़ में फोकस करना है. स्टडीज़ के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स लाइक कॉन्सेप्ट में वर्क करना, टीम वर्क करना, प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स जानना ज़रूरी होता है. इसलिए मैंने जनरल प्रोफिशिएंसी में पार्ट लेने का ट्राई किया और मेरे लिए जनरल प्रोफिशिएंसी ये मीन करता है.
Through such sessions, students get an opportunity to learn beyond the regular academia curriculum and develop a broader perspective. The Cultural Induction Program thus offers students an informative and engaging session as they continue their journey at Chandigarh University. As the Cultural Induction Program at Chandigarh University comes to a close, one thing is clear. University life is not just going to be about classrooms, lectures, or assignments. It is going to be about celebrating your culture, discovering your talent, and finding your place in a diverse community, in which Chandigarh University, with such vibrance, has definitely given its students a memorable, fresh and hopeful start. On this note, this is Nilanshi Sood with correspondent Nigel signing off from Chandigarh University, Block B5.